Okay, so in this video, I'll be installing this unit, and this is a 13 by 6 HD lace 28-inch deep curly unit. Alright, so let's go. Alright, y'all, so I placed this wig on my head, and this is what it's looking like. Y'all, when I tell you I ordered a deep wave unit, and this vendor sent me a deep curly unit, because y'all know the difference, right? Like, this is a deep curly unit, right? But I ordered a deep wave unit, but I'm not mad at it anyways. You know what I mean? All right, so I did went ahead with my flat iron and kind of smooth out the front of the unit, because I like when the air is out of my way, so so I can see what it's looking like. And y'all, I feel like it looks good. It looks nice. All right, so I put my hair in a bun. I put my hair in a ponytail rather, just so that it will be easier to, you know yes, get the front laid like it's supposed to. All right. Okay, so to place the glue, I lift up the front of the wig, and then I just place the glue right there, so I know exactly where I want the front of the lace to be, where I want the wig to start from. So I went ahead and I placed the Gots to Be glue right there, and then I just proceed to place it back down, and y'all know the drill. And then we just brush the hair back, because you don't want your hair to be crumpled right there, so you always want to use a comb and like just push the hair back, just so you can get a better install, so it can look seamless. All right, y'all, so now I'm just gonna blow it out with my blow dryer. And usually with my blow dryer, I will go with heat and cool, so it's like hot here, and then I will just hold on to the cold one, so that it can get hot but cold also. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna continue to do to the rest of the lace, so just watch as I get it glued down. All right. Okay, yeah, so after I finished, I went ahead and started cutting this lace off of my head. I like to section it in three, so that it is easier for me. I mean, that's just how I like to do it. Sometimes I will cut it off on like my block head, because it's kind of easier that way too. But I don't know, I like this. This is easy. This is very easy. You should try this if you have problem cutting your lace. Like, just section it in three like I did, and just cut the middle first, and then you just go ahead to cut like each side, because it is much easier that way to handle, you know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, yeah, so when it comes to the the corner right there, when cutting the lace, you gotta be careful, okay? Because listen, I have there's a lot of time that I went in and cut off my hair. There's a lot of time. And this scissors that I was using is so dull, like it was giving me a warm time. But I just took my time, and your ears right there too. You don't want to cut your ears, okay? I've done that too. So I'm just saying, just take your time and do what you gotta do. Even if you gotta do it piece by piece, just take your time and do what you gotta do. Don't rush that side, because that is a delicate part right there, okay? Okay, yeah, so after I finished, I realized that the end right there, was lifting. So I went ahead and put some more Got2b glue spray right there. And then, I'm gonna just spray it down so that it stays in place, okay? Then, y'all, I have this little thing that I like to do. I like to spray the Got2b glue spray on the end of my tail comb, and then I just put it at the end of the wig right there. You see, I like to do that. I mean, I feel like, just look what it does. Like, I feel like it helps it so much to blend in, and so I like to do that. I don't like to spray the spray directly on my wig. Nah, I don't like to do that. I mean, I've done it before and I didn't like it, you know what I mean? So it kind of looks tacky, but when I did it this way, I like it, y'all. And then I just go in with the cool here, and yeah, whatever it is to get your lace to blend in, go for it. All right, you can also comment below and let me know some of your ways how you use to get your lace melted in, because you gotta tell me your secret too. Okay, so yeah, I'm just cooling it down, and then I'm just gonna go in with this elastic band to just tie it on so that I can get the lace to blend even more, because we want that HD lace to blend. I want it to look like it's coming from my scalp, you know what I mean? Yes, y'all. And even though I really did not let this one last too long, because I didn't give it enough time, y'all. I don't know, I wanted to just get over with this video, so I didn't have it stayed on too long, but it was alright. I went ahead and used the blow dryer on heat to just kind of tuck it in, just kind of heat it up some so that I could take it off quicker than usual, because y'all, I wanted to just get over this video. Alright, y'all, so then I just proceed to take it off, and it could have stayed longer, because the longer it stays, the better for you, okay? Alright, so I went in with my foundation brush just to hide the lace some more, and you can see it does the trick. It always does the trick. Alright, so you do all that you're supposed to do, and then you come back with this technique, so it hides the lace even more, and you see that blending in. Y'all, this curl is beautiful. I will not deny that part. Like, the curl on this unit, it is pretty. I did not know what to do with my hair, y'all. I was like, I love me a side part, But then I'm like, I'm always doing side part. I should not be doing side part now, but it's so pretty. Look, you see? I don't know. It's just something about me and side parts. I feel like just, that's just my thing. Like when it comes to hair, I like my hair with a side part. So y'all, my lips was looking a little bit chapped, so I said, you know what, let's put on some lip gloss. We can't be going through this video looking like this. Come on. Okay, y'all, I decided to just go ahead and do a middle part, which is not my style, but you know what? Listen, for the sake of the video, we gotta do what we gotta do. And y'all see, I would kept playing with that unit, and this is how you know a deep wave from a deep curly wave. When it comes to a deep wave unit, when you play with it, it gets bigger, but not as much as a deep curly unit. A deep curly unit, the more you play with it, it can get like so big. It can get really big, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is definitely a deep curly. And then I'm just getting the part together in the middle, and y'all see it's a 13 inch. It goes 13 inches to the back, so that's it. What am I saying? It goes 6 inches to the back. So yes, y'all, I like when my wig has a lot of parting space. I mean, everybody must like that, right? Yes. So now I'm just going in with the wax stick to kind of lay the hair down. Yes, you know them the white little wild ones, you gotta get the wax stick to just kind of simmer it down. Yeah, this hair is so big and so pretty. I love it. All right, so now I get my hot comb to just heat up the top. Y'all, you know what happened? So you know how there's like this comb in the middle right there, like right there where I'm at, right there. I don't know why I did not take out that comb off the wig. I should have cut it out, because when I tell you, every time I go there to like, do that part, I feel this hard comb right there. It's just so annoying. So I should have taken it out, but y'all, next time, So yeah, I'm just making sure that I laid where I want it to be laid. You see that looks so cute, right? Yeah, and that hair was just so big, y'all. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn, and this is a concealer I use on my face. So I'm using it to make sure that I get, I brighten that center part that I have going on. So I want it to look more natural, so I go in with that, and then I go in with one of my brushes to kind of just brush it in some. You see how that looks better? Yes, you always want to make sure you use your foundation or lighter your concealer to brighten your part. Alright, so now I'm just going in with this mousse to dim the hair down a little bit. I mean, I love the curl on the unit, to be honest. I really didn't want to use too much of the mousse in it, or just too much of any type of product. I didn't want to take away from the curls that it has, but I went ahead and used some. Okay, y'all, so I'm just playing with the unit and just brushing it out while I, rub that mousse in it. Yes, and y'all, look at that curl. The curl pattern is so pretty, y'all. It is nice. And look at that hairline. I am so happy that I decided not to do any baby hairs. Listen, I've never done a unit without baby hairs, but I told myself, listen, today you're gonna do it, okay? So yes, but I'm just trying to play with the hair and get it in place to where I kind of want it to be. And yeah, you see that hairline? We did that. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna proceed to continue to mousse the rest of the hair and get it to my liking. Yes, yes, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look of the wig, and I just love it, y'all. Y'all, come on, look at this. This looks so nice. It's just enough, like the volume of it is just nice and everything. And y'all, get into this hairline. We did that. Okay, who's missing baby hair? No, you see that? So we don't have to do our wigs with baby hair, and it can still look so nice. Okay. All right, y'all. So yes, and this is the back of the unit. This is what it looks like. And remember, we didn't put too much product in it, so you know this is literally the natural curl that the unit comes with. So it's looking so nice, and we love it. All right, y'all. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and also remember to comment and let me know what you think about this install. And like, yes, y'all, yes. So yes, remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay.